Hello everyone, welcome back to the JavaScript learning series. Today we are going to discuss let me type here, what is closures. So in JavaScript, a closure is a feature where a function retains access to its lexical scope even after that function has finished executing. This means a closure can remember the environment in which it was created. A proper definition can be like a closure is created when a function is defined within another function and the inner function retains access to the outer function's variables. Let me give you a basic example. What we can say, like a function, it can be like a create counter, and here we can say counter is equals to 0. We are using let. You know about the variable scoping in previous videos. We use let because we will be going to modify this value later. So here as the definition says, the inner function retains access to the outer function variables. So this is the main function body, and the inside function can be like we can directly return function, and here we can do something similar to increment this value, which is counter plus plus. This is shorthand for +1. If you use plus plus, it means like it will increment this value by 1 each time, and then we will be returning this from this code block. We can say the function body. So as the definition says, a closure is created when a function is defined within another function. A function defined within another function and the inner function retains access to the outer function variables. You see, we are having access to the outer function. Let's do something. Variable count is equals to, we are going to initiate this function, and now let's try to see, do we have access to this variable of parent method. So here we will be going to do console.log, and here we will call our method. It says 1. Okay, now as more as you will call it, it will just increment the value. You see, here I am using 1 2 3 4 5. Let's see what it do. Okay, so this is a basic example of closure methods. You should be aware of this because closures are a fundamental concept in JavaScript and play a critical role in functional programming and asynchronous code. So in each of videos covering single topics of JavaScript core programming, when we will be doing some like building an application or something, that time you will be able to see the actual uses of this programming. So till then, please make your notes, do practice, and try to grab as much as you can. So later, when I will be doing some or building some programming like application for you, that time it will not be looks like complex. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.